All right, now you can leave. First day back on a bike. Well, not back on a bike, but bike park. First day at a bike park. Following Orlando. And I'm gonna hope that everything goes well today. Because I haven't ridden a bike park since I hurt my back. And since I dislocated my shoulder, actually right on these things is where I dislocated my shoulder. So I was going way too fast. There we go. Oh, that was pretty good. Not bad. I'm gonna go upper deviant, I believe. Orlando is cooking. Doing good. Okay. I'm just gauging how I feel. Considering my back and everything else. Let's see. Alright. Alright. Good job, man. You were doing good.
Thank you.
I was doing I felt alright. The drops and stuff didn't feel horrible. Alright. Continuing deviant. Yeah, Orlando's feeling good. Just as I was about to say, I'm starting to feel all right. Had a little sketchy moment. Whee! Okay. Where Jeff ate it and never wanted to ride downhill again. Okay. Alright, I think the camera angle is good. I went to Rhode Island last week, which was one of my first solo rides in a while, and all the footage was crappy because the camera was pointing down. So all I got was front wheel and dirt. Couldn't see the trail, which was really good out there. And that was Lincoln State Woods Park in Rhode Island. Super, super fun trails, but all the footage I got was garbage. Yeah, yeah. Definitely not going to be going as fast as Orlando. I am going to be riding my brakes until I start to feel comfy with all this crap. Hello. Driving Miss Daisy right now. Oh, I remember Alpine. I remember you, Alpine. Yes. I'm sure I've said it in plenty of videos, but that little section right there is where I had my first crash at Mountain Creek. Oh yeah, they really did revamp it. Yeah, yeah. See it.
They're pretty sizable.
Yep. Yeah. I think they extended it by at least like 5 feet compared to the last time I did it, which was probably years ago at this point. I gotta start using that one. way too fast for my liking. Funny, like I feel all right on some speed, but as soon as I get to like the turns and stuff, like I don't know if I'll survive it, so I end up pulling the brake.
Loud did it and his
Okay.
crew.
Gotcha. Say no more. Or does it say less?
Say loud.
Yeah. The cool kids, you know? Say less. Doesn't it lead to Candyland or some shit like that?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Ripper, that's what it was. Lower ripper, that's and the top part. Oh shit. I gotta focus on what I'm doing. I almost died there. Hubba-dubba-doo. Oh, not good on that one. Horrible. Jesus, I used to be good at this. What happened? Hubba-dubba-doo. I used to be good at lower ripper. It was my jam, I just fucked that up. Okay, so first aid back, first aid back. All right, round 3. I forgot the name of the trail, but we're gonna go to the right of Breakout to do a little tech trail here. It's following that line right there. There you go. Yeah, should have rolled. Oh, I remember this. I remember this now. And you haven't done this with me?
There's a bridge in the back.
Yep.
This is fun.
Yep, I remember this. Alright. Okay. I don't remember this part. Oh, another bridge. Oh, bridge over here. Feel a little more comfortable on that one now. It was bottom of breakout, or middle of breakout, I guess. Yeah, these parts where I catch a lot of speed, that's where I start to get nervous again. Oh, no whammies, you know. Yeah, but do. So. There today in the pit, or at least not yet. Twist and either follow twist down or go to a fat lip, one of the two. We'll see. Following Orlando's line, hopefully. Oh, that was too slow. Okay. Oh, that was good. Into the jack. All right. Whew. Kicking up some rocks. Okay. Oh, too slow. Woo. Right, frog pond again. We got a guy following behind us that wanted to see what it was like, so we said we would lead him in and show him the way. Hopefully show him the good way. This is the left. Whew. Say hi, Felipe. Go ahead.
Gonna go slow.
No worries. I don't like going fast. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Where's the drum? I don't know. That's what I'm looking for. I think it was right there. Oh, it's a small. Well, I don't know. I don't know where it was. If it was that little thing, maybe. Felt good. I don't know.
That little section.
Yeah, that little whoopty little jump felt good.